Alright guys, so I'm back with another cooking video, and as you can see, it's all about fish today. The fish of my choice is red snapper, and yeah, in a whole well sliced up and thing. So the first thing what I do, I go in with it with some salt and pepper. Yeah, number one ingredients that if you cook anything. And I just basically coat that pan both sides and make sure everything well seasoned also. Yeah. Use your fingers and just rub that in. You have to be careful because you don't want no bone juke you. If you ever know how fish bone juke hot, no, so you see penis. So be very careful when you do that. Now I go in with some all-purpose seasoning, and you just add a little more flavor. You know what I look with it? Yeah. You just rub that in as well. Now this is my fish/seafood seasoning. I don't know how to come for me in the comments if I never put it there. And it is a good amount of stuff, so I just maybe just type it up in the note sheet and screenshot it and put it there. So if you don't want the recipe, guys, you can just go back, take a screenshot of it, and there you go. Let me know how it tastes, let me know how it turn out. I'm gonna see. I use it on the fish, but I can use it like on shrimp, if I don't have lobster, crab, basically any seafood, you know. After I do that now, I just cover over everything with my saran wrap and just place it in the refrigerator for 24 hours or overnight. Next, after I ready, you know, say this season well soaking, and so I'm gonna tell you this because when you left the season for soak overnight, you get the full taste of the flavor. Yeah, so now you just make sure, say, you heat up your oil, you drop a peg of garlic in there, you know, give it that extra touch there, and then you just drop in your fish after your oil hot, cause you know, say if your oil not hot and you drop in a fish, a problem, your fish will stick, and nobody don't want that type of negativity, you know what I mean? I say, yeah. And for the oil of my choice, what I use is vegetable oil. And it might look like a lot of oil, but I don't want to turn my fish and mash up my fish and them with it. Yeah, I do that sometime, but like if I have enough oil, I rather just use a good amount of oil and just everything coat evenly and done one time. I just use one stone and kill two birds and call it a day. Yeah. Now after you're done, you just pan a paper towel, you put your fish, so you know all of that excess oil can drip off. Nobody not need all of that. And there you go. You just plate it or put in your file pan and so ready for ship out. And see them here eat mine with some great second with festival. Thanks for watching, guys. Big up on yourself. Bye.